What is going on, everyone? 413 Bros back with another video. And my shitbox Jeep in Tyler's garage. It's cold out, and there's no top out.
It's windy and cold.
Yeah.
32.
Tomorrow's the first day of spring. So
And it's going to be like 60.
Yeah.
So, Justin, what are we doing in this video?
We are putting a Rampage tonneau cover to hide my sub box. Our Rampage tonneau cover kit here. Everyone usually buys the kit for these bars, or for the bar and these brackets, but we actually want to use the whole shebang to cover that. And
yeah, because Jeeps are notoriously known for being broken into, and why would we want to lose a
exactly
$200 sub box?
Exactly.
So,
wait a minute. If we put a Rampage soft top bar on, how's that gonna work with a hard top?
oh, well, you're just going to have to stay tuned for the next video.
Stay tuned to the next video. Alright, we're going to figure this out.
Guys, so what we figured out so far is these brackets go here. They have the end caps on the side, so you got to make sure that you have them on the right sides.
Yep.
So this is so that you can kind of clip the fabric underneath from the soft top. So ends on each side. Unfortunately, we got to drill the holes out a little bit bigger.
Yeah, they're just a little small from the factory.
Yeah. We've got your rubber that goes on
Everyone
your tailgate.
gets this wrong when they buy this kit on Amazon, and they criticize it in the video. The way that this works is this goes on your tailgate. Everyone goes, oh, that's not the way the OEM works. No, you're right. It's not the way the OEM works.
Yeah.
But what this does is when you close the tailgate on, it squeezes against the bar and creates a better seal.
Yeah.
So in my opinion, it's actually better than the OEM.
Yeah, in ways. Mine sits on the bar and closes up against this, and it creates a really good seal
as well.
But you know, everyone is slightly different. So we're gonna have to drill these out. We've got nuts and bolts for them.
Pretty much all set up.
Yep. Then we've got the 2 factory screws, which hold these straps down.
Yeah.
We are not going to use those because you got to drill them out, and they're kind of short, and they're not great. So we've got some self-tappers we're just going to hammer through, and where it's going to be is it's going to kind of be in the wheel well anyway, so you're not really going to see it. So it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
And that's really it with these. They're not that difficult. So I guess let's start drilling it out. So I just have a common step drill. So
Harbor Freight Special.
Yep.
You're just going to open them up. 1 hole.
2 holes.
2 holes.
Perfect. Alright, so now we gotta nut and bolt it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get these all started, and then I will let Justin take over and actually bolt them through. Alright, so we've got these on. They're nutted and bolted on. They're tight.
Comes with good nylocks.
Yep. So yeah, you saw we had to drill them out. They're all tight. They're on. They ain't coming off. This rubber mallet, easiest way. But what I did is, you could see in here, there's the metal strip. You can get it started. You just need somebody to kind of hold it over the edge, because if it's falling down, you're fighting it. And we did that in minute, maybe. So
yeah.
Next is this bar.
Yep.
Not quite sure how this goes on. But
there's 0 videos for this whole thing.
Alright, so we've got the bar installed. It is a little bit of a pain. We found it was easier to... all you got to do is this tonneau cover, which it sounds like nobody uses, has this plastic liner, and that's what goes in the channel. So you got to kind of fold them in, put it in place, and then this thing, because it's brand new, it's so tight. But you can kind of see, if Justin, you come around this side, this is where the tonneau sits in.
Let me see if I can get the light on it.
Yeah. So this is where the tonneau sits in, is in this channel. And this is the factory rest for the tailgate, or door. So you can see I had to bend this, and see that's it bent.
Right there.
to fit it in. But like I said, nobody really uses the tonneau except us.
Yeah, I'm using this to hide my sub.
Yeah.
So I gotta obviously bolt this in and stuff like that, but this is just a little assurance.
This is correct. This down, because that's how they use their weather seal, is it sits in here when you close it.
The door.
So we'll show that now. And you can see, it looks like it's hitting, but
good push.
Yep,
you can see it seats like
and
a
it seals really. As it gets worn, it'll
fit better in the heat.
This is where your window goes.
Yep, slides right in there.
So now, at this point, now that we have all this in, like I said, you're gonna struggle getting this tonneau in, but I found the easiest way. Fold them in. It's just plastic. Push the bar in place. You know, center it. Push the bar in place, and then it sits like this. So all I did was I just kind of folded it and put it under the tub rail.
Yep, and it's fine.
Fits perfect now.
Yeah, it's really just trying to make it a little less visible.
Yeah, our shit doesn't get stolen.
Yeah, it's just a little assurance, just something, that, and to keep the dust and shit off of it.
Exactly. So we're gonna pause the video now. We're gonna get the sub back in place, get the seat down,
and then
we're gonna stretch the tonneau cover where it is. And then we'll put the straps on and show you what we did.
Where you at, Tyler?
We are done. We have the tonneau cover installed now. So we've got the bar. Like we said, the window goes in here. Weather strip is on. We've got it pulled tight. We just use self-tappers.
Self-tapper into the body.
So that's it. It's pulled tight. Can't see the sub box anymore, which...
Yeah, it's pretty much the...
You can tell.
You can tell there's something there. But when you have... the soft top that we're going to be installing on
in the next video. It's going to kind of sit on this.
It's going to sit on top of this, so it's just kind of a deterrent. Like I said, we're going to be, we needed the bar. We're going to secure it. The box is going to be bolted into the Jeep.
And we needed the bar for the soft top. If you want to steal
it, it's going to be really hard.
So, like you said, needed the bar for the soft top with the new clamps, so the tonneau cover technically came free with it, so why not use it?
Yeah, why not?
And like I said, we just self-tapped it, but I mean, that's all the screws were anyway. You drill it and then use the crappy screws.
Screw it in.
So we just use stainless self-tappers.
Exactly.
And
when the top's down, you're not gonna see this. This is really it's just kind of a deterrent. It's more like a weather thing than anything. It's just to try and hide it.
It looks great. So
and the new brackets and this is gonna be huge.
Yeah.
So. I do have one of these, but it's obviously not very new, so.
No, it's beat up and old, so.
Yeah.
Want a new one anyway.
It's gonna look good.
Alright.
That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Later. Peace.